Hi, everyone. I'm Koren Holden, System Actuary for the Public Employees Retirement Association of Colorado, or Colorado PERA for short. And I'm excited to serve with my colleagues on the CCA Annual Meeting Planning Committee, Public Sector Division. I'd love to personally invite you to join us at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, October 26th through the 29th, for an unforgettable annual meeting experience. This year, I'm proud to present the Public Plan section, where we'll dive into timely topics such as considering and discussing the role of alternative assets within public plan asset allocations, how certain public plans across the nation are finding ways to share plan risks, not to mention my favorite, how best to act or react when in the line of fire, presenting to public pension boards and/or testifying to legislatures, while addressing often heated actuarial and sometimes explosive funding topics. We have other fascinating public plan presentations as well, all culminating down to the famous public plan workshop on Wednesday. These sessions are designed to spark new ideas, help you navigate challenges, and connect you with peers who share your interests and likely many of those same challenges. It's not all about the sessions. Make sure to join us for the Monday evening reception. The reception provides an excellent chance to mingle, reconnect, and to make new connections. I also encourage you to participate in the Public Plans Community Forum, which occurs Tuesday afternoon, October 28th, from 4 to 5 p.m., for open discussion and to explore fresh ideas with your peers. Odds are that this year's annual meeting will be a dynamic event, so I truly hope you'll be able to be a part of it. See you this fall at the Cosmopolitan Las Vegas.